Sweetnight mattress in a box, smartly shipped to your door for easy setup. No risk, we as the maker, the fair price mattress you can get. Our bed mattresses come with 10 years. Over 96% of our customers keep their king-size spring hybrid mattress and refer it to others. About Sweetnight mattresses, we know how hard it is to find the perfect mattress that just fits. We believe everyone should sleep well and feel refreshed after a night of rest. After over 10,000 users' experience, feedback, studies, people, bodies, countless material testing, we have created this king-size bed mattress just for you. What makes the Sweetnight hybrid mattress so different? Breathable quilted knit pillow top cover, bright gray side panels, perfect king mattress design. Say goodbye to the ugly pale mattress. The gel memory foam layer is breathable and slowly adjusts to your body temperature. What is in the box? 1x Sweetnight hybrid mattress, 1x night sleep opener, 1x manual and card note. Please follow the guides in the manual accordingly. Endeavors to open your mattress package within 72 hours of receipt and allow 72 hours for your new mattress to return to its original, plush shape. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Help solve your sleep problems. Sweetnight 12-inch king mattress constructed with individually wrapped innerspring and gel memory foam for ultimate support, pressure relief, and heat dissipation. Helps those with back pain, tossing and turning. This mattress is king-size, resists sagging, roll-off, and with a medium firm feel. Number 2. Health and bed mattresses. Quilted knit pillow top cover is skin-friendly. CertiPure US certified foam made without harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. High-quality carbon steel spring coil for rust and deformation prevention. Enjoy a healthier sleep with this king-size mattress with your partner. Number 3. Comfort and undisturbed night sleep. Individually wrapped coils encased in separate pockets are taller. They move independently well. Reduce the sensation of movement. Provide the targeted support to your body, proper back support and alignment. This hybrid mattress made with a Euro pillow top design, gel memory foam layer for slowly adjusts to body weight and temperature. It provides a buffer so you never feel the coils for optimal comfort. More comfortable and plusher on this king mattress. Number 4. No risk. We as the maker, have the best price mattress you can get. Our bed mattress comes with 10 years. Over 96% of our customers keep their king-size hybrid mattress and refer it to others. Number 5. Smartly shipped and easy setup. Our mattresses king-size are compressed, rolled and shipped in a box conveniently to your door for easy setup. They fit all king-size frames, such as box spring, floor, slatted base, flat platform. Recovery of 72 hours is recommended for your new mattress to get to its original, plush shape and dissipate the odor. Number 6. Tested foam for safety and health. The foam is healthy and safe. Plus made of CertiPure US certified foam without any harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. Enjoy a healthier sleep with a hybrid mattress. Number 7. Comfort and undisturbed night sleep. Individually wrapped innerspring moves independently to prevent motion transfer between partners for an undisturbed night of rest. This mattress resists sagging, roll-off, and with a medium firm feel. Number 8. Comfort and breathability. Covered with rayon cotton for unsurpassed softness and body heat dissipation. The cotton cover is designed to promote airflow, regulate heat and allow moisture to naturally evaporate, helping our bodies stay dry and cool. Number 9. Smartly shipped and easy setup. Our mattresses are compressed, rolled and shipped in a box conveniently to your door for easy setup. Let the mattress expand within 72 hours, enjoy it with your loved ones. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.